You just uploaded your video and you see the caption are complete trash. Don't panic. Here is exactly how to fix it. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Content, select your video, find and tap on Subtitles. Here you can edit subtitle as a text or click on Edit Timing. Now you can edit caption for a specific timing and fix whatever is wrong and change it. If you have a separate caption file, you can upload it by clicking the three dots and selecting Upload. Now hit Done. Voila, your captions are fixed. So yes, you can edit subtitle after uploading. But here is the problem. If you got a 10-minute video with 50 mistakes, you're gonna be sitting here for half an hour per video. And if you upload every day, yeah, good luck with that. So here is what I actually do. I check my caption before uploading to YouTube. Upload the video here. Hit Auto Subtitles. It generated them in about 10 seconds with 98% accuracy and 125 language supported. Then I can fix any mistake in this super clean editor or easier than YouTube's editor. Download the SRT file, upload it with my YouTube video, and boom, perfect caption from day one, no stress. Now I never waste time fixing caption after the upload. It saves me hours every single week. Plus, you can use this caption for TikTok, Instagram, or any other social platform that you use. Link is in the description if you want to try it. First video is completely free. You are welcome.